Welcome to LuxDR. Today we're going to be working on these beautiful Boletta heels by Christian Louboutin. Moderate wear, nothing too serious, but worry not, we have LuxDR on our side. So today we're going to be working with the special edition RedBottom Rx. And it comes in this beautiful special edition box. Also available at Miss Lux, so get the app. The applicator comes simple. It's 4 applicator sponges and its signature red bottom base. It also comes with the authenticity sticker. Make sure you get the real stuff. The soles are an easy application. Simply dip the application sponge and go into the nooks and crannies. You want to get all the scuffs, fill them in, because it is enamel based and this will protect from chipping in the future. So if you're worried about discoloration, worry not. Easy coat or 2 is recommended, just depending on the wear. And this is, since it's UV protected, the color is going to be a perfect match. And now look at that, gorgeous, ready for the next day out. Perfect shine, perfect color. So bring them back to life. Your Louboutins deserve it. So if you want to work with the best, remember, LuxDR it is.